Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sweetie and today is my 74th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. Okay, so when I was doing my written practice and it was like like I was writing about my this challenge. What are the changes I got after taking this challenge, as now I reached on my 74th day. And so it was like when I was writing my diary, and I was writing about my this challenge. So it was like that when I started my this challenge, it was very hard for me in the starting. It was like because it was very difficult for me. I didn't have any hope from me, means the all the negative thoughts I had, all the negativity I had in my mind, that being a Haryanvit is very difficult for me, and I didn't have any environment. And the as I told you, that negative comments, negative tones people gave me. So that's why, I mean, even it's not about on they, like my mutual friends, as I told you in my videos, they when they taunted on me, I was at that time a negativity entered in my mind. And it was like I was like, should I mean, for a bit second, like should I stop this thing? I was not doing good. But all my like friends, my close friends, my family, my brother, he gave me lots of appreciation, and I got lots of appreciation from you also. So after all these things, the main thing, I mean, today I was thought that, of course, when we are doing anything new, when we are doing something challenging, so we face a very serious problem, negativity, that aura of negativity, the negative thoughts came. Should we stop? Should we continue? We when we are doing something with mistakes. So, and it was like that. I mean, see, of course, the main thing is that, as I told you in my videos, that we have to be consistent. We have to be continue with our, uh, you know, that consistency. So this is the thing. But the main thing is that, should we? How can we maintain this thing? I mean, the main thing is that, like, when, as I told you, that when I started my this challenge, it was very difficult for me. And to reach to reach from one day to 74th day, it was not as much easy. But I didn't left the, even, of course, after feeling nervous, negativity, that negative aura I had, I removed it. So that's, today I'm going to tell you that how can we handle this negative aura, how can we remove this negative aura, and how can we create this positive aura, how can we create a positivity. And of course, see, the main thing is that, suppose why negativity, why negative thoughts came in our mind. I mean, sorry, the main thing is that, the first problem is that why this negativity comes, what is the reason behind it. So we have to be find out. See, whenever we are doing something, it was challenging, it is hard. So the main thing is that whenever we feel it is hard, and when we start feel when we start um when we start experience some hurdles, some problems, then at that time we are feeling like, I mean, we are feeling that, am I able to do this thing or not? Should I stop this thing, or should I continue with it? So at that time, that negativities came. So what should we do at that time to remove this negativity, to continue with this challenge, to continue with these actions? See, first, that action you are doing at that time, like what I do when I stuck with these types of problems. What I do, suppose I'm doing something. I am doing, like, am I writing something else, and I feel that it is not, as I told you, that I do lots of practices for my spoken challenge, for my this spoken journey. So suppose I'm writing, and during writing I didn't get any, I didn't get like something specific thoughts that give me spark. and negativity starts because I start feeling, challenging. Then then what I do, like, it is not about that I feel negativity and I left it. No, I change my action. Like, I left it, like, for, like, I will do it later. First, I complete my, like, another practice, mirror practice, or I can watch my videos, and after watching any video, after listening any podcast, then I can get any positive idea. So you have to be like, there is no need to be stop to yourself. You have to be change your actions towards your growing path. Not like, not like that you have to be stop yourself and stop your challenge. No, you have to be change, you have to be flip your actions at that time, and you can save it for doing later. You can do it that part later, after getting some, positive energy. So, I mean, this, I mean, I can follow this. And when I was doing my writing part, and of course it was like that, sometime I feel lots of challenges while doing these types of practices for my spoken English. And at that time I feel very low. Then I shift my action to another one, and I left it for doing later. So this is the main thing I do. And because the main thing is that we have to be consistent. I mean, if I leave my this practice, then how can I be consistent with my these practices, and how can we grow? So that's why I'm saying, I mean, there's no need to stop. You have to be flip your actions and stay positive so you can be consistent. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.